Hey everyone! You might read this manhwa for the art and the story, but today we're getting forensic. I took chapter 1 of Folding the Moon and I did the deep dive. I decoded the English fonts used in the lettering. Knowing which font is used and why tells us so much about the translation and lettering choices. We're going to break down the dialogue, the sound effects, and the narrative boxes. The main dialogue, KOMIKA TEXT KAPS. The vast majority of the character dialogue in this chapter uses the font KOMIKA TEXT KAPS. This is a perfect comic choice. It's a chunky, all-caps, hand-lettered style that feels natural, energetic, and highly readable. The caps style means it uses small caps for the lowercase letters, which maintains that classic comic book look while keeping the text highly legible, even when it's used in its italic variation, like we see here with Views Master. The italic adds just enough emphasis without being overpowering. Shouting and action dialogue, Comic Chuck. Now, when things get heated, the letterer switches things up. For this aggressive dialogue like, hey, 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 they use Comic Chuck. This font has a slightly more erratic, rougher edge than KOMIKA. It communicates aggression, surprise, and a louder tone, perfectly matching the character's agitated body language and the spiky speech bubble outline. The font is the sound of the character yelling. The subtle text, Hanazome font, and caveat. For smaller, boxed, or unique text, they use lighter styles. The word alert uses the Hanazome font. It's a clean, slightly rounded style that separates it visually from the main dialogue, making it feel like a distinct system notification or a gentle thought. And for the quiet, descriptive action, like sneakily, we see the elegant, handwritten look of Caveat Regular. A whisper or soft tone on sneakily tells the reader that this is a soft, flowing movement, unlike the harsh sounds of the SFX. Sound effects, setting the mood. Sound effects are often the most fun because they are pure expression. We have a perfect contrast here. For the soft, domestic sound of ding-dong, the letterer chose Bubbly Regular. It's light, rounded, and non-threatening. It perfectly conveys a pleasant doorbell sound, not an explosion. But when the emotion hits, like the guttural sound URGH, they go with Kill Crazy BB. Just the name tells you what it does. It's aggressive, compressed, and jarring, instantly selling the feeling of pain or intense frustration. Using these distinct fonts, Bubbly for soft, Kill Crazy BB for hard, shows how typography is a literal part of the comic book art, not just text delivery. So whether it's the robust KOMIKA TEXT KAPS for dialogue, the aggressive Kill Crazy BB for SFX, or the practical folding signature in the binding, every design choice in this manhwa is a deliberate part of the storytelling. Which other manhwa or manga should I decode next? Let me know the title in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy reading!